Hello my dear crafty friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very gorgeous shadow box frame with these lovely handmade paper flowers. Isn't it looking very attractive? And you can add photograph inside this big frame. So let's get started. For this we need perforating pad, scissor, some tools, some archival inks, sponge dauber, some paper cutting flowers, paper doily, liquid glue, border punch, black color sheet and pattern papers. First I am taking this 30 by 30 centimeter black cardstock, and from the left side I have marked on 2 centimeter, 3 centimeters, 5, 6, 7 centimeters, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25 and 27 centimeters. Now rotate the card and I have marked on 2 centimeters, 3, 5, 6, 7 centimeters, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28 and 30 centimeters. Now we need to create some cuttings. From top I am making some markings. So just mark on this line on 2 centimeters. Similarly mark on right side. In the same way I am marking in the bottom. And now I will join diagonally like this. I have given the template of this whole pattern in description box for your future reference. So you can just download from there and print it out. I have given the miniature format of this template. So the size will not the same, but I have given the correct measurements. So you have to follow the measurements, not the size of the template. Now I will cut this whole frame using my scissor. Now I am creasing all the lines using my ball tool. And folding all the creases. Now fold these parts and you will automatically get a frame shape. You need to just tuck it like this from all 4 sides. So this is done. Now I am taking this pattern paper frame. I have cut the center part of this frame, so I will use the center part in the center of the frame. Before adding this pattern paper frame, I have joined all 4 corners using liquid glue. So this is done. In the same way, I have created one small size frame which I have also given the template of it in description box. You can check there. Now I will connect both the frames with each other. So I will connect this small size frame in the bottom part on right bottom corner like this. Now I'm starting with the flowers. So I have already prepared 3 size of 4 petal flowers. I have given the template of these flowers in description box. You can download from there. I'm taking pink peony archival ink and coloring these flowers from the center to outside. Leave little white area on outer side of the petal. This is very light in shade, so maybe the camera will not catch the exact color, but I will show you by zooming it little bit. I hope you can see it. So I'm coloring from both the sides. Now I'm taking vibrant fuchsia color and coloring the center part of the flower only from one side. Now for the final tone, I am adding plum shade in the center of the flower. Now I am taking little water in a bowl, dipping all the flowers inside this for few seconds. Take a tissue paper and tap the excess water using the tissue paper and soak it very well. Allow it to dry for some seconds. Now from the back side I will start shaping the flower. So I'm taking my perforating pad and this groove golf tool. This is a small size tool. You can use large size tool as well according to the size of the petal. If you don't have groove golf tools, you can also use ball tools. So I am making the grooves from outer to inner part of the petal. Now just rotate your flower and in the center I will tap using ball tool. So this is done. In the same way I will shape rest of the flowers. So we need total 2 large size flowers, 2 medium and 1 small size flower. Now I will assemble my whole flower add little glue in the center and add the petal between two petals like this. In the same way, I will add other layers. Now in the center I am adding bunch of thread pollens. So the flower is ready. Isn't it looking very nice and natural? In the same way, we need two extra large flowers, one large flower, three medium sized flowers and three small flowers. So flowers are ready. Now I'm taking back my frames and adding these designer border punch on two sides of frame. Then I am adding the sentiment warmest greetings of the season and every good wish for the coming year. Happy birthday. I have stamped this image on the distressed background. So you can also write the sentiment by your own. And I have kept the big frame empty to add photograph. Now I will start adding my flowers. Before adding the flowers, I am adding some paper doily. I love to add doilies. It gives very nice shabby look to your project. Now I am adding all the flowers one by one in all corners. Like this. Now I am adding some leaves here and there. These are die cut leaves. If you don't have dies, you can also hand cut the leaf shape. I have also this angel paper cut out, so I am adding this and this small butterfly. So the beautiful shadow box frame is ready. I am sure you will try this very soon. You can add any ribbon on backside of this to hang it, or even you can also add magnet to attach with the fridge. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.